Yesterday, I discussed with you how to grow a square-shaped watermelon. Today's video is somewhat similar, but a different shape entirely. The shape of love, the heart. Growing different shapes of watermelons is one of the most recent creativity and innovations by the people in Japan. A farmer by the name Horiuchi Kimura, with the help of his wife, are the brain behind this innovation. It was said it took over 3 years to come up with this idea and make it a reality. The idea was born out of their love for farms, and also to show the amazing love they share with each other. These watermelons are not modified genetically in any way, but just with the use of simple tools, they were able to achieve their desired shapes. Welcome to your YouTube channel, ITTV. Remember, you are the original of yourself. There is no duplicate of you anywhere in the world. These beautifully shaped fruits are very expensive, at 15,750 yen, or $146 and 63 cents, on average in most stores in Japan. This high cost is largely due to the fact that most times they are used as decoration ornament. And thank goodness, watermelon are not prone to getting rotten easily if it is not opened. Heart-shaped watermelons are getting popular by the day, all over the world. It could be a great gift for that someone special in your life during love season, and good expressions of love to your family or people around you. It is the same traditional watermelons, but conditioned to take the shape of a heart while growing. To grow these heart-shaped watermelons requires some tools to achieve that shape. It is fun and endearing. Whether a myth or not, it is generally believed that these heart-shaped watermelons are sweeter and tastier than your average watermelons. Maybe this belief is connected with the chemistry of the heart? Who knows? Take a moment and think. Why would you want to do something out of the ordinary? Well, these heart-shaped melons were known to be experimented in Japan for the first time. And let's face it, Japanese farmers love to experiment with fruits. If you want to be daring, you can as well grow these watermelons and experiment too on your own. It's fun. Heart-shaped watermelons are used in place of the traditional gifts and during festivals, occasions, and are given to loved ones to show affections and love. Over time, and with the popularity of the heart-shaped watermelon, plastic molds made up of polycarbonate material have been invented, and they are super strong to withstand and accommodate the growing process of the fruit. Other forms of molds exist too, but plastic types are most preferred. Well, let's get on with the process involved and steps you should take to achieve it. Choose a strong plastic mold in the store. They are usually transparent, and the material used in its making is not harmful to both humans and nature. You will find knots and bolts in your purchased pack of the mold. They are needed to ensure that your mold is properly sealed. The good news again is that these molds are designed for outdoor use and last through many growing seasons. This way, you are sure to get the most out of your mold, thereby making good on your investment. You may also want to make some inquiries at the point of purchase of your mold because most times, the choice of your mold will depend on the kind of or variety of watermelons you want to grow. For instance, seeded watermelons might require a special plastic mold, which might be different from molds for seedless melons, so buy a proper one that fits the variety you want to grow. Choose already fruiting watermelon in your garden to be placed in the plastic mold. The fact that the baby watermelon is still very tender will make it conform to the shape of the mold as it grows. Make sure to tighten the nuts and bolts on the mold so that the baby watermelon will conform to the shape of the mold. Watch your watermelon with excitement as it on a daily basis takes your tailored shape. The watermelon is ripened when the stalk attached to the fruit is beginning to take a brown color and the leaves too are somewhat turning yellow or brownish. That is when you can harvest your special fruit. Your perfect shaped watermelon can be a gift to that someone special in your life, or a fruit you have experimented with and just want to enjoy the fruit of your labor. And if you think growing it yourself will be much of a trouble, you can sure make a purchase of it online between $11 and $19 for one. Let me know in the comments section if you have ever tried to grow a heart-shaped watermelon. or if you want to try your hands on it after watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, ITTV, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I upload another interesting and informative video for you. Also, click the like button and give a thumbs up. And don't you ever forget, you are the original of yourself. There is no duplicate of you anywhere in the world.